Okay, so I refilled it for the pigeons and birds. Wash it with soap in 3-4 days so it doesn't get fungus, algae. Guys, summers are at hand and birds find it really difficult to find water. It's so excruciating for us in the summers. Imagine how much more difficult it will be for them without the source of water. So it's a kind request, kindly put some water in your balconies for the birds so that they have something to hold on in this hot summer day. Thank you guys. Just let's try to make a better world around us.